Today we'll be learning how to make a cartouche. A cartouche is a parchment paper lid, also known as a false lid, used for covering the surfaces of stew, sauces, and soups. It works in trapping steam and reducing evaporation and preventing the forming of skins on top. So, when's the best time to use a cartouche? Let's take this example. You go into a garage sale and you see that wonderful pot that you wanted for a very long time, and you end up buying it and forget to pick up the lid. That's one scenario that you might need a cartouche. So how do we go about making a cartouche? We start by taking a parchment paper large enough to cover the whole pot, just like that. Then we start making it into a square. Once the square is large enough for the pot, we start making a 90-degree triangle, just like that. Once the triangle is made, we're gonna fold it into itself in half, just like that, and then measure it to the pot. Make a dent to where you need to cut. It's much better to use a scissor when you need to cut. And now when you open it up, you have your cartouche ready to be put into the pot. A perfect circle. And that's how you make a cartouche. Let's look at another method on how to make the paper lid. Taking a large enough parchment paper to cover the pot, we're gonna take one corner and make a 90-degree triangle, just like that. And then we're gonna take the scissors and cut the excess on the side, just like that. Then you take one of the corners, the bottom ones, and fold it into half, making sure that you remember the top corner, where it is. Continue with the half folding until you no longer can fold the triangle any further. Measure the pointed end to the center, cut the excess. Sometimes, depending on the recipe, you might need a hole in the middle, so that's why you can cut the tip and get the hole in the middle, just like that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with your friend who lost their pot lid. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Here are some clips of me getting it wrong. I managed to do so many mistakes until I get it right. So don't be afraid to make mistakes.